itu. Hello, my name is Muhammad Jamsyah. My absent is 23.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Reza Dalian. My number absent 24.
This is Lantung Letter Craft. The Lantung Craft from Bengkulu is a book technique that use lantung is the main material. This is a traditional process, formally drying and forming. Process can become craft as this. Walls and wall hangings. Its characteristic is motif inspired by nature. Making is not only functional but also artistic. Apart from being a work of art, this craft also played an important role in the local economy, being a source livelihood for craftsmen and cultural tourists. Is Bengkulu. This is the house of Bengkulu Lima. The house of Bengkulu Lima is a typical Bengkulu traditional house, which has a sloping triangular roof with 5 peaks or roofs. This house was built with natural materials such as wood and bamboo, and stand on high roof, which functions to protect it from floods and wild animals. The structure of Bengkulu Lima house reflects the local wisdom, where each hut has its specific function, such as living room, at the front for sleeping bed, and the family room in the middle. Apart from being functional, this house also reflects the cultural values and life of the Bengkulu people, which are simple but full of meaning.
This is Dugan cloth clothing. Clothing made from Dugan cloth is one of Bengkulu typical culture heritage which has deep aesthetic and philosophical value. Dugan cloth is made from traditional weaving using natural fibers such as cotton and is decorated with motifs that are thick with local culture symbols. Clothes produced from this fabric are often used in traditional ceremonies with or other important events in Bengkulu. The uniqueness of Dugan fabric is in its rich pattern and colors reflecting local wisdom and harmony with nature. This cotton not only symbolizes social status but also pride in the traditional heritage that continues to be guarded and preserved by the local community.
This is Serunai musical instrument. Serunai is a traditional wind instrument from Bengkulu made from bamboo or wood, often used in various traditional events and traditional music performance. The distinctive shrill sound of the horn is produced by a special blowing technique, creating an immersive melody. This musical instrument has high cultural value because it is often used to accompany traditional dance or traditional ceremonies, such as wedding or harvest parties. Serunai not only function as entertainment, but also symbol of identification and local wisdom of the Bengkulu people. Thank you.
This is the Endon dance. Endon dance is a traditional dance typical of Bengkulu, which is usually performed at traditional events, such as weddings or Thanksgiving ceremonies. This dance involves dynamic movement that depict togetherness and joy, accompanied by traditional music. In the past, Endon dance was also a means of socializing between young men and women. The dancers usually work in pairs, wear traditional clothing, and move harmoniously to the rhythm of the music. Andon dance is not only entertainment, but also a reflection of the social and cultural values of the Bengkulu people, which upload togetherness and mutual cooperation.
This is tempoyak. Tempoyak is traditional Bengkulu food made from fermented durian. The manufacturing process involves selecting ripe durian, which is mixed, dissolved, and stored in the closed container for several days. Fermentation results in a unique taste, with strong and slightly sour aroma. Tempoyak is often used as accompaniment to dishes, especially with fish, and is used in dishes such as tempoyak sambal. Food is not only rich in taste, but also reflects the culinary richness and tradition of the Bengkulu people.
This is Krambit. Krambit is a traditional weapon from Bengkulu, which has a crooked and sharp blade. Made of metal, the Krambit is ergonomically designed for comfort. Used, this weapon not only functions as a means of self-defense, but also as a symbol of status and expertise. The manufacturing process involves high skill and is often decorated with carvings that reflect local aesthetic values. Apart from being used in material arts, Krambits are also collectibles and souvenirs for tourists, proving the traditional and skill of Bengkulu craftsmen as a cultural heritage. Krambit reflects the rich identity of the local community. Thank you.
The regional language in Bengkulu, known as Bahasa Bengkulu, is part of the Malay language group with its own characteristics. Have various dialects. This language is rich in vocabulary and influenced by Javanese, Minangkabau, and Dayak, used in daily conversation and oral tradition. Bengkulu language contains the cultural value of the local community, even though it is still used. Conservation challenge arise to the influence of the Indonesian language, so it is important to educate the younger generation to maintain this cultural identity.
Bengkulu culture reflects the rich traditions that have been passed down, such as Lantu and Krambit crafts, which have deep meaning. As a student, you have an important role in preserving Indonesian culture by studying and participating in cultural activities.
Let's together protect and appreciate our culture heritage so that it can be enjoyed by future generations. You are the successor of Indonesia culture.
Thank you.
That from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.